Hello guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Welcome to another video in this channel. This video is regarding a course update video and you will get a platform where you can enroll free courses with certification. And after completion of this course, you will get one certification so that you can mention the certification in your CV or your LinkedIn profile. So today the course update is from Upgrad company. As you all know, Upgrad is a huge e-learning based company in India. It provides some important technical and managemental trending courses which will help you to get a job or switch job into another company. So based on your interest you can learn from Upgrad and it will be completely free. So no need to pay anything for getting the certification, and also the course will be detailed. You can also learn new skills and trending skills by the industry experts. Okay, if you are interested to enroll this course from Upgrad, then the video is for you. Please watch the entire video, and after completing the video you will get the idea how you can enroll a free course from Upgrad company. So without wasting any time, let's jump into our content. Hey guys, welcome to another video in my channel, and this video will be a course update video for you. So those who want to enroll a free certification course from Upgrad, they can watch the entire video. If you are a working professional or if you are a fresher looking for a new job but you want to learn new skills which are the trending skills in market, you can come to this website. But most of the Upgrad courses are paid. To enroll a course you need to pay a lot of money to Upgrad team so that they can guide you how to crack a job or how to switch your career with a huge hike. But today this video is regarding free courses. By this method you can get Upgrad free courses, and also after completion of the course you can also get a certification from the Upgrad team. The certification you can mention in your CV or you can mention in your LinkedIn profile, which will also help you to get a new job as soon as possible. So now comes into the main topic. Here you can see I have opened the Upgrad portal and I'll provide you the specific link so that you can visit this site. Okay, so here you can get everything is mentioned here, like all the sections are mentioned and all the courses are free. Also it is notified you that after completion of the course you will get a free certificate from Upgrad. So as you can see, it's mentioned all the categories like new, chat gpt, data science and machine learning, management, marketing, technology, career planning, law, everything is mentioned. Okay, so students from any field can get a free certification course from Upgrad. As you all know, these are the trending topic like chat gpt, data science, marketing. These are the trending topics in today's job market. So if you want to enroll for any of these program, you can easily enroll or register yourself. So now how to do it, I will guide you. Okay, suppose you want to do a course inside data science and machine learning. So here you have to choose one course at first, which course you want to complete. Then you have to click on the course. Once you click on the course you will get one button. This is the register button. So before start the course you have to register yourself. Okay, so you have to click on the register button. So once you click on the register button you will get that kind of window. Here you have to provide your mobile number so that they can register you in this portal. So here I am providing my mobile number. After providing your mobile number you just need to click on the continue button. Then you will get one OTP in your mobile, so you have to check there. And once you provided the OTP you have to click on the continue button. Yeah, now you will get one new window. So after that you will get that kind of window. These are all the sections for the course. Okay, so from there, here you can also continue your course and you will get all the details about the course. And after the course you have to clear one short exam or quiz, you can say. And once you cleared the exam, you will get one upgrade certification free of cost. So this is all about today's video. Hope you like the content, and also I will provide you the link in the description box so that you can directly redirect in that page, and based on your interest you can register for the course. And after registering for the course, you can start your course, and after completion of this course you will get a free certificate from the Upgrad team, and you can also mention the certification in your resume or in your LinkedIn profile. It will help you to strong your profile, and also it will help you to get a job as soon as possible. So if you think this video is informative for you, please hit a like, and also if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for getting regular notification from this channel. So please stay tuned with us for the latest update. For today I am signing out. Take care and bye.